How you doing today, air lovers? Got a 12 by 12 canvas here that we just tried to pour on. It didn't work out, so I'm going to do something different. I think what we might do is a colander pour. First, we're going to some light turquoise. I'm going to put some white. None of these paints have silicone in them. Just my mixture of 5% glue all, 1% flow all, and half an ounce of flow improver. We put turquoise and white, put some blue in. The blue and red is folk art paints, like a true blue, a true red. Let's see what else we want in here. Let's go with a little bit of green. Stir this one up a little bit. If you can see that or not. It's a little bit of hits and disappears. So I got some blue, turquoise, white, blue, red, green, still a little hot pink into there. Why not? Yeah, never know. Not much of this left. This is island blue. Give that a squirt. Alright, let's do that again. What we do first? We did the turquoise, did the white, off my canvas. Shot of white. I gotta look here in the cup, see what I did. Oh, blue. Red. Green. And a shot of pink. And we'll top it off with some white. All right. looking cool. Like zoom in. Kind of taking its time. It's not really, paints aren't really runny. They kind of form a mound, then they disappear. Oh, I got you zoomed in. No wonder we can't see. My lighting sucks. That glass should have been enough to do this canvas. Alright, let's pull this off and let's see what we do, what we have. They're pretty cool looking, kind of. Pop these bubbles. Kind of interesting what's going on here in the center. Go back in the center. And let's go this way with it. Looks kind of cool. That pink's coming out right there. A little bit of pink and blue right. Dark green, light green. Torch it, get some bubbles popped. All kinds of interesting things are popping up here. The longer I torch, the more interesting it's getting. Good thing I filled that up earlier. This has no silicone in it. It's just 5 ounces of glue all, 1 ounce of Floetrol, half an ounce of flow improver, and I'm getting all these little tiny little cells and lacing stuff in. Thought that was an air bubble. Contamination. Another one. That red. Must have had some dried stuff in it. It snuck by, because that's all I'm digging out of here is those little red paint type things. I think I got them all. I don't see any more. Yeah. That's interesting. It's cool. I like it. Scrape my bottoms. So quit pulling paint off the top. Said it before, I'll say it again. Once you get it to where you want it, make sure you scrape those bottoms, because as long as it's dripping, it's pulling paint. And if you like what you got on the top and you want to keep it, make sure your bottoms are scraped off. And depending on how runny your paint is, you might have to do it more than once or twice. I'll probably go over this thing about 4 or 5 times. Just scraping the bottom. Let it sit, scrape it, let it sit, scrape. As always, all the dried pictures, product, will be at the end of the video. I don't think, like I said, my lighting isn't. Let me see if I can get loose of these little sticks. Pull it up here. I don't know if you can see all those little cells in there or not. It's pretty cool. Greens, pinks, blues, reds. Got a touch of purple, which isn't very dark, which is surprising, seeing how I threw red right on top of blue. But there's just little hints. The light purple, the dark, you know. But this is cool. I like it. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. It's a little red thing in the corner. Hit that notification bell so you know you're notified when I upload more videos. Look down in the description. Click that, hit see more, I think is what it says. Or leave comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Give me a comment. And leave me a comment. See what you want. Let me know what you want to see next. If you want to see a string pour, or a Dutch pour, or whatever. So, till next time, get out there and paint something.